Alright, well, from here you can see oil pan is leaking too. So, yeah, unfortunately it's not coolant. But the front is all wet. This is wet, but I would say it's more oil.
That's the hose clamp that I was talking about.
Yeah, I saw a little drip on there. So, I mean, that definitely is not going to help the situation. There you go. Oops, sorry about that. The whole front area, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, is soaked.
Can't really see.
So, I don't know if you can reach. Can you reach and maybe fire it up?
Maybe. Here.
Let's see if we get some drippy drips.
Definitely gonna need this.
You're not that tall?
No, not today.
Oh, it's dripping off the, see, dripping down onto the alternate right here. There it is. So, like I said, it's pretty sure that's the water pump right there. And it's just like you have leak hole. Just kind of giving a warning. You want to go ahead and shut it off? I got it. And we have a water pump that's going out. So we can let Bobby know, Bobby can let Adam know, and we kind of go from there. All right, guys, well, that is our inspection. We're showing you everything. You see how clean and dirty and grimy, but you know, 30-year-old car, we still love them. All right, guys, what do we say?
Later.